Hi, this is Wolfgang from SENSYS and we like to talk about the MagDrone R4 today. Some years ago we started with the first product for aerial surveys. That was the MagDrone 1. The MagDrone 1 had only one sensor hang on a cable below the drone. That was good for some surveys, but it created a very unstable sensor that is hard to control in terms of swinging from left to right, especially when you turn with the drone. So that was not the ideal solution. For this reason we came up with the MagDrone R3. That already had two sensors put into a rod with 1 meter distance. It was that product. That was better, quite lightweight, and we could directly install it to the landing gear of the drone of our clients. This product was very good for exploration surveys, wherever you don't need that high resolution of the ground, but you need precise data. That was the perfect solution for that. Now, with more systems in operation, we had more and more requests for an even more precise solution than the R3. That way we came up with the MagDrone R4 that I will show you in more details in a second. The main concept of that is adding even more sensors to the whole system, and that are 5 sensors. Those 5 sensors have different spacings in between and allow a very high resolution survey of a whole area. The main advantage of the R4 is that it comes with 5 sensors in a foldable sensor tube. That means that we do have a base distance between sensors of 50 centimeters. That creates a 2 meter wide tube, but we can fold in the outer ones between the inner ones and create then 25 centimeter distance between the sensors. That way you can play with daily coverage compared to resolution of your data. So if you need a very high resolution map, you fold them in. If you need to cover more area in the same time, so that means you fold them up and have a 2 meter wide span of your system. This setup for storing it and transporting it, creating the setup for 25 centimeter distance between the sensors is that setup. Making it even wider means we are folding up the outer tubes that way and creating our 2 meter wide setup. Compared to the R3, makes us as double as efficient as the former one. In terms of power consumption, we are using standard batteries that you can also use for your drilling machine. So you just plug it in here, and as soon as the unit is ready, it will give a tone back to you. Now the unit is ready and could start to record data in the field. We also have an antenna here that is used for a Wi-Fi hotspot that this unit will open up. So we do have a server here running and organizing everything that has to deal with the operation and configuration of the device. And you can access that server with any smartphone, laptop or tablet that has a Wi-Fi connection. The GPS could be a separate one that you need to attach to the drone, or you can also connect the drone GPS to our device via a serial connection. We also have Altimeter here and there installed. That means we take our own height above the ground. That is important later on when you process the data and you need to calculate a depth of an object in the ground. The whole unit has a weight of 3 kilograms and comes with 2 batteries, a charger and our MagDrone Data Tools software to download the data and export the data into other formats to be processed with our own software or with your own software or any GIS system that you might have. So, okay. Meanwhile, the MagDrone R4 is released to the market and is already delivered to first clients. We also have some units in stock for rental and test trials. So whenever you have a suitable project or the time and your drone available, just get in contact with us and we can send you a device so that you can do your own testing and get a better feeling of what are the capabilities of that device. We will have a whole series of videos for the MagDrone R4 where we will show you how to mount and install the device to a drone, how to play with the configuration via the server, how to gather the data, download the data, process the data, creating a color-coded map, and also calculating then objects that you can see in the map to do your follow-up actions that you need to do. Thanks for watching that video. Have an eye on our YouTube channel, on our website, and stay tuned for the next videos. Thanks.